In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to parse JSON lines in make.com. Parsing JSON lines can be incredibly useful when dealing with data that you want to break down into manageable pieces. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head on over to make.com. Once you're there, you'll find a range of tools and integrations perfect for automating your processes. When you're on the site, you'll want to look for the Scenarios section. This is your hub for setting up and managing all of your automation projects. Once you've located the Scenarios area, click on it. Next, you'll be directed to a new page where you need to create a scenario, your specific task flow. In the top right corner of the interface, there should be a button labeled Create Scenario. Go ahead and click on that to initiate the setting up of your new automation process. Now you'll find yourself on a fresh interface designed for scenario creation. In the search bar provided, type in the word highlight. This will help you find the necessary applications and features that can be integrated into your scenario. Among the options that appear, look for and click on Parse JSON. This module is crucial because it allows you to extract and work with data neatly. The way JSON lines work is by keeping each entry on a new line. To start with, you'll need your text in JSON lines format. Once you have that, you'll add a text parser module to your scenario, specifically choosing the split text feature. For the separator, use the new line character, _n, so that each JSON line is treated as an individual item within an array. With your text now split into an array, the next step is to use an iterator module. The iterator allows you to loop through each line from your array one by one, which is essential for parsing each line separately. Inside the iterator, add the parse JSON module. At this point, you'll need to map the current item from the iterator as the JSON string. Then click on Create a Data Structure and choose Generate. You'll need to paste a sample JSON object such as #ID1, name, Alice, and email, alice@example.com. Once done, click on Generate followed by Save. With all those configurations in place, it's time to test out your work. Run the scenario once. By doing this, you'll ensure that each JSON line is accurately parsed into recognized fields like ID, name, and email. These fields can be mapped into Google Sheets, Airtable, or any other application you wish to integrate with. And there you have it. You've successfully parsed JSON lines in make.com. With this process, organizing and automating your data tasks becomes a breeze, letting you focus on what really matters. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.